pot and add some soil. This is plant. We will make some space and we will be putting the plant like this, and we will add water so that the plant can grow. So plant gives us oxygen. What plant gives us? Oxygen. Yes. So this flower, and we will put some water. Yes, this is water, and we will be putting some water so that the roots will grow under the soil, and it will grow with the help of sunlight, water, and with the help of fertilizer. And what plant give us? Plant give us oxygen. Plant give us oxygen and food.